Hi there. Welcome to our quick guide on how to create and share an evaluation link on the CocolevioHR platform. After you've completed creating your evaluation, you'll need to find the public link to share it. This link can be published across various channels like your website, social media, job boards, or email. Here's how to get it. At the last step of the evaluation process, click on the Get Evaluation Link button. This will generate your unique evaluation URL. Next, use the Copy URL button to grab your evaluation link. It's that simple. Another way to find the evaluation link is after publishing it. Go to the Evaluation section. Here, you can use the search, sort, and filter options to locate a specific evaluation. Once you've found it, open its details. Look for the evaluation URL label, and copy the link displayed next to it. Using this evaluation link, candidates will be able to apply for jobs and begin their assessments within the CocolevioHR platform.